Ito po yung very beginning ng aming existence as the oldest humanitarian armed service of the country. We were established in 1901 and since then, diyan kami talaga, yan yung parang bread and butter namin, ika nga.
Gamitin ko rin po ang pagkakataon pong ito para pasalamatan ang Philippine Coast Guard sapagkat nung ito pong bayang ito'y sinubok ng pagputok ng bulkan, isa po kayong mga Coast Guard na hindi nagkatubali na ang aking kababayan ay tulungan ng makalikas at mailayo sa tinatawag na danger zone.
Coast Guard is delighted to see you all return safety and re-energized for the meaningful ride. Your participation today demonstrates your unwavering commitment to our maritime heritage and the preservation of our historical lighthouses. Awareness, kailangan natin talaga pangalagaan ang ating pong lighthouse. Sabi nga nila, ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan, hindi makakarating sa karoroonan.
But to your great effort over the years, you being the former station commander of Batangas, now the district commander, you have been good hard to make this and maintain this place very for maintaining its historical value, at the same time a tourist destination for our locals here in Calatagan. Congratulations.